Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix failed to join team battle on My Hero Ultra Rumble. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you a few fixes on you can try to solve this issue. So first what you can do is to disband your team. So if you're unable to find a match, then first cancel the matchmaking. And now on the main screen, you will find a team battle button and click on it and choose the disband option. Or after that, don't worry, even if there's no one in your team, disband it and start matchmaking again. So do this repeatedly until you are able to join a team battle. And then next, what you can do is to change your server. So another simple and easy fix is to play on another server. So when playing My Ultra or My Hero Ultra Rumble, you can set your server to either the US, Japan, or Europe. So the best part is you don't need to modify any settings of your console or use any VPNs on your PC for it. So here's what you'll need to do. So go into the in-game settings, and then in there under the gameplay tab, choose between Japan, US, or Europe. So for example, if you play the US, you can set your server as Japan or Europe. And now close the settings and simply click onto the start button, and you will now be able to join team battles. Then next, what you can do is to restart your game. So you can directly restart your game or use the fixes before and try to see if it helps fix the game. And then you can also try verify file integrity. So this fix is for PC players. So go to your Steam library and click onto the MHUR and go to the properties and choose installed files. So here's just select verify integrity of game files and wait for the scan to finish, and you should be able to play it now. And then lastly, what you can do is to simply update your game. So click if there are any updates available, or check if there are any updates available for the game. And if there are, then installing it and restarting the game can also help solve it. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.